Say hi. You know how
Hi.
back in the old days, guys, so it's currently 8:07.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she...
Hi guys, look at the stairs. We're gonna go all the way up there with this luggage, with a heavy bag, and we came from there. Where's the ferry? Anyways, it was there, and we walked, and now we're going up. We got this. Let's go. We did it! Oh my god. We made it. Oh my god, it actually smells so good. This is the TV.
Pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask
Hi,
you
boo-boo.
today,
Hi.
Oh my god, you look tired.
the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard, in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist.
No, don't worry, it shows.
The red door?
Yeah.
I don't know what's the iconic thing about the red door.
Huh?
Is it because of Goblin?
Yes, that's literally the only reason why I can't get it. There's so many people like I just can't get a show.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
He won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with...
Cutie! Say hi! Hi! My name is Quincy Cloud. Hello, nice to meet y'all. Are you having fun, boo-boo?
Yes, but I gotta shit.
Okay, so we have to go home. Good morning, everyone. We are back. We got...
You see the cat?
No. Oh, the cat, look. Cute. Should I adopt a cat? So we got some snacks. Hi, cat. I thought she's gonna bite you or something. I got scared for a bit. Anyways, we got snacks. So I got this Ruffles sour cream and onion for sure. And then we got the water. And then he also got some Chips Ahoy cookies, the rainbow ones. Wait, let me show them my history. This is a nice picture.
City lights were shining bright, carry dreams on high.
It's so pretty in person.
Still gray sky, but concrete can feel cold and the noise can pierce the soul. I long for fields of green where silver rivers roll. Packed my bags one evening, left that urban maze. Traded traffic's endless hum for a quiet winding.
Did you guys see that? I swear, in person it's so pretty. I really recommend. Bro, we're gonna look back at these videos and I'm gonna I miss those moments.
Why is she running? What? What does she want?
Lights of sirens, just the sound of nature's call. From the city to the countryside, I've come to mend it all. Rooster calls at sunrise, echoes through the pines. Coffee on the front porch, watching shadows climb. Every day is a treasure in this land so far and wide.
Almost, I guess. What? What do you want? I can't even wave. My hands are full. Carrying Vietnamese.
Like it's like nothing, you know?
Yeah.
Like I really enjoy walking here in this area. Well, around the Ooh. I'm gonna miss Quebec, and I love Quebec City.
Deep and slow, from the city to the countryside, where love and peace go. From the city to the countryside, I found a different life, where the stars light up the heavens and the air cuts like a knife. No more neon lights or sirens, sound of nature's call. From the city to the countryside, I've come to mend it all.
Is that a camcorder?
Yeah.
So this is the room. We're saying bye-bye. We clean everything, as you guys can see over here. Bye-bye. We're gonna miss you, room. Your room. We cleaned everything again for sure. It was a really nice bathroom, by the way. I really appreciated the red wall. Very pretty. Bye-bye. That was like I had like a really good shower here. It's the little kitchen that we didn't really use once again. We didn't cook, we didn't really use the kitchen stuff, whatever. So we left the office cards here. Bye bye, thank you. That was very useful. The keys, everything in there. That's the kitchen. Bye bye, kitchen. Where I didn't really get to stay here. I was just Christopher watching whatsoever. And yeah, that's it. Again, this is just the beginning, guys. We're gonna have more trips to come. This is like the first trip. This is the beginning. More trips to come. We're gonna explore the world. Just gotta work hard. Get that money. money, get that money, get that bag, and we travel. Right, babe? Here, let me. So, any message or anything before
I miss
leaving?
this place for sure. It was fun.
Why do you keep moving? Oh my
Sorry,
god.
I don't know. I'm gonna miss this view for sure.
Okay, yeah, let's show the view.
The castle.
The castle for
Old
sure.
Quebec.
Ta-da.
The
Wow. Wow. Wow, that's crazy, babe.
That's what I'm saying.
The zoom in is crazy. Okay, the airplane. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, wait. Let me
Some of
just do
these
a.
frames I'll remember for sure.
Gonna miss everything. It was our first Airbnb ever, and it was like a very good experience. Oh my god, my face looks big.
We also got a good price for this.
True.
We won't ever get something like
The
this.
ferry ride, it was like a good experience. Everything here was really nice. Shout out to Jean-Francois and Lucy.
Wow. Unique shout out.
Anyways, bye bye. See you on the next trip, y'all. Okay, wait, hold up. Our kid. This is Cloudy, by the way, and
You mean Quincy?
Quincy Cloud, and he's finally coming home with us to Montreal. Are you excited? I think he is excited. Bye bye. See you
Yay.
on the next travel vlog. Bye.